this video today, I'm going to be doing a tablescape for Mother's Day. Come on with me, guys. Now I'm starting out here doing a beautiful fan napkin hole. Now the idea is to take the top of the napkin and about an inch, I would say, folds. So you're going to fold back and forth, holding on to the 1 inch all the way to the bottom. When you get to the bottom here, you want to make sure you hold on to those folds. You want to bend in the middle. Now what's going to hold everything together is going to be the napkin ring you use. So you want to take and slide it in from the top all the way to the bottom. And then you'll see how it'll start fanning out just like a fan. It looks absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's head on over to set the table. So here we have the tablecloth, which was a thrifted item. Then we have what I'm using as a runner is a scarf from the Dollar Tree, very beautiful. And that goes perfectly with this floral arrangement. Beautiful placemats that have butterflies on them. These came from the Dollar Tree. The gold chargers that I first put down, those came from Hobby Lobby. These pale yellow plates were a thrifted item and absolutely gorgeous. Now these salad plates, they came from the Goodwill and they're in the shape of a petal of a flower. It's absolutely amazing. Now, the glassware is Pioneer Woman, and I managed to thrift that at the Goodwill. Then we have the flatware that came from Party City. gifted item, and so was the napkin ring. And so now it's time to just place those on the plate and fan them out. I decided to push that up a little bit so you can see half the plate and then half the napkin. It looks absolutely beautiful. So we're almost getting ready to head on over to the reveal. Okay, so I think between the colors and just the whole tablescape is just so feminine, perfect for Mother's Day. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. And have a happy Mother's Day. Blessed with family and friends. Amen.